We have the crew of Great Woodlands Car Show. They make it happen. These are the folks behind the scenes who make it happen.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us at our November car show. Once again, we are so glad to have you guys here. This is a monthly car show. Join us on December 14th for our special Christmas car show. At that car show owners have a chance to win one $100 drawing and 4 $50 drawings. Our Christmas Best in Show will win $200. Car show prizes for decorated cars will be $200 for Best Decorated, $100 for the runner-up, Best Decorated, and for $50 honorable mentions. Our playscape, the carousel and train will be open for kids to enjoy, and Santa and Mrs. Claus will also be here for it with us. Our food vendors for December will be Smart Drinks and Zacklo's Tacos. Smart Drinks will be selling smoothies, hot chocolate, and coffee. Zacklo's Tacos will be selling mini pancakes, bubble waffles, breakfast tacos, and their full lunch menu will be available. Mark your calendars for December 14th. You won't want to miss our family Christmas car show. Upcoming 2025 dates are January 18th, February 22nd, and March 15th. Show car owners, please make sure that you have checked in at our information tent, that even if you pre-registered, and please make sure you sign the liability form. Also, make sure that we have your correct email. We will communicate any car show updates via email. Thank you so much. Just a friendly reminder, smoking, vaping, and alcohol are not allowed on the premises. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Please visit our concession stand. We have donut holes, water, and Gatorade available. Also, stop by our wonderful Smart Drinks truck and get something yummy to drink. Special thanks. At some point today, the Gideons will be here passing out free Bibles. We appreciate them coming out. Please come visit us at our prayer tent if you have a prayer need. Our team would love to pray for you. Also, please visit our games area out here at the back to your left. We have cornhole, giant tic-tac-toe, and giant tic-tac-toe. Restrooms are inside the building to my left. There is a banner. There are banner flags that are set up designating the entrance. We will have the $100 gift drawing and category winners at 11:45. Please make sure as a car owner that you are here, you've got to be present to win. Today from 9 a.m. to 2 at our Cathedral Life Center to the north of our property, we're having a flash sale. Follow the signs, look for the balloons, or directions. There are incredible deals on lightning furniture, a wide selection of equipment, gaming desks, women's clothing, bags, and more. The Grace Market will also be open, featuring Bible studies and books for men, women, and children, clothing donations, different items, and so much more.
That's how you can buy them even silver
Family Thanksgiving. Join us Wednesday, November 27th at 6 o'clock.
The air conditioner was like
Y'all have air?
yeah, add-on, you know, it's an add-on.
Yeah.
Turkey bowl.
I don't know. I guess before I was driving.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That would have been about 10 years old.
Bring your friends and your family to a fun time. Rain or shine, except if there's lightning. Polar Express. Bring the whole family out to Grace Woodlands. Our annual Polar Express movie night. Friday, indoor viewing room. And an outdoor viewing Pictures with the conductor and train rides. Carousel rides, game room, a pre-K playland, an elf workshop grass area, and giant playscape fun. Wear your PJs. Attractions open at 6:30. The movie begins at 7:30. The attractions will open again after the movie and stay open until 10 p.m. Admission is free. Seating is limited. Car Club to connect with other car enthusiasts. We meet up each month to enjoy a ride to a restaurant or other location. Sign-up cards are located at the information tent. Our Grace Garage Outreach provides oil changes and multi-point services for single moms, widows, and wives of I got a whip of ready to minister to the women we are serving. We also have a wall on the like audience ready to teach us without need to wish to learn more.
How are you?
What a nice camera that is.
Tell us a little bit about your car.
Well, it's a 2000 Plymouth Prowler. It has 22,000 miles, or 2,200 miles, what am I saying? And it's just a fun little toy. What can
There
I
you
say?
go.
I don't know what else to say about it other than you don't want to be real tall to own one unless you keep the top down.
Okay.
Because being little is an advantage of getting in and out of them. And we've had it since April and just had a lot of fun with it.
Awesome. Why, thank you for sharing that information. This is a beautiful M5.
here it comes out this later. No pictures.
No.
I told you my picture's in the post office. You don't need
Looking good, gentlemen. Looking good.
Thank you. Lined up real nice. Get there to the roll back. But these are some things. Push by 2 pump things. Roll back. We're going to take the car to my shop. Take that like kids are living in my life. Yeah, I saw you up there. I was going to say something, but they were telling me how to go.
Second one out of 2 steering out like that.
I actually had that here last month. I bought the Mercedes to get the other driver, and when the moment the guy dropped it off, I drove it around the block and I said, yeah, tomorrow I gotta go back. I ended up doing all the work to the Mercedes. I said, yeah, I have to myself.
But that you don't have half acre, so to speak.
I want to get that.
And it's a whole different creature when you put it in competition mode. I put a new transmission in it. Went around.
Hold on. Because I want you to. Shooting, okay?
This is factory. It's the silver bullets. The anniversary, the 25th anniversary edition was a silver bullet. But every year they make some silver bullets, but they don't make many of them. And when you run the numbers,
So this
on
is a collector's item.
it actually is. And I want to put it back together, but I'm looking at about 20 grand to get it like it's supposed to be. It won't be. Right now, I put this paint on it the other day because the top on it was cracked. The place that I was going to order the new top, it takes 2 months to order the one that I wanted because it's got to come from China of all places. But I've just been fiddling with it. New disc brakes, new spindles, all new wheel bearings, put some new tires on it.
Can we see the engine?
Sure. Got it, it performs like it's supposed to. It's just got a long way to go to get the body right. It's LS1.
Okay. 5.7 liter LS1. What have you done to it so far?
I had it GM tuned and got rid of all the little bugs, changed filter, changed oil, just gave it a basic tune-up. But the transmission, it cost me $3,419 for the transmission that I put in it. If I keep it in a year, it'll be a total different creature.
So I believe you should keep it and modify it to your liking.
That would be the dream. Definitely be the dream. I see a lot of people cranking theirs up. I'll wait till he dies down. Or maybe I will.
Sounds pretty good. Sounds healthy. Listen to that. Sounds pretty good. Can I put a cam in it?
It's all factory.
All factory.
All factory. It does have it has $2,200 in custom exhaust. The factory H exhaust was taken out of it and an X was put in.
Okay.
So that's the sound. That's that. It makes
That
it
sounds
rumble
good.
pretty good.